Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So first I would like to apologize for the sound and the lighting of this video because I'm in the bathroom and those two don't make a good combination, but I wanted to quickly bring you this video because I am intrigued. If you have not been seeing this all over YouTube lately, I know I have. It is the Miracle Shower Cleaner, and I desperately need to try this out because we have a stand-up shower that really needs some attention, and I really want to see if this works. You only need 2 ingredients. It's supposed to be super simple and super easy, so stay tuned and I'm going to show it to you in just a second. Okay, so like I said, you only need 2 ingredients for this. It is Dawn dish soap and vinegar, or you could use like the cleaning vinegar. I don't really think it makes a difference. Vinegar is vinegar in my book. And there are a ton of different ways that you can do this, but I'm just going to try the last one that I saw that seemed to work really well. Now I'm going to turn you around and show you this shower, and don't judge, I know you guys don't, but we clean the shower every week, and it's that material, like that built-in builder grade shower, and it's got like the little grooves on the bottom, and it collects dirt and nastiness, and it just needs to be cleaned badly. So I thought this will be a perfect opportunity for me to try it out and to show it to you guys if you've not seen it already before. But for right now, I'm going to turn you around and show you what this shower looks like, and then I'm going to show you how to combine the ingredients so we can get cleaning. All right, you guys, so here is the shower floor. You can see all of the soap scum and all of that residue, dirt and all that good stuff. And like I said, it's like that plastic, I don't even know what this is called, but it's disgusting. So we are actually going to try this out. I'm going to take you in and show you how I get the concoction all together, and then we're going to come in here and spray it and see what we can get done. Okay, so all you're going to need is some Dawn dish soap. Make sure it's the blue, some vinegar, and a spray bottle. And you can get all of this stuff at the dollar store as well. But what you will do is add 1 cup of each. And when you do the vinegar, make sure that it is warm, not boiling, but warm to the touch. Add it to your spray bottle, mix it around a little bit, and then spray it on. But right now I'm going to go ahead and mix this stuff up, and I'll show you how to do that. So once you get your solution in the bottle, you're going to want to spray it evenly all over the area that you're trying to clean. And if you guys are returning subscribers, or even if you are new here, if this is your first time, I never record myself from this angle, and I never will again. I want you guys to please remind me to never do that again. I think it's because I had my hair tucked behind my ear, and now it just looks weird, and I know you probably are going to not watch anything else besides that while I'm doing this, so I apologize that that's the way my hair looks, but it is the way it is. We keep it real over here. Anyway, so you're just going to spray down the entire area, and then you're going to take a sponge and just very lightly over the top of it, like with the scrubby side, go over that to where it starts to make a little bit of like the sudsy stuff, but you're not going to scrub. You're just kind of getting it mixed up again and getting it all spread even all over the tub. So that's what I did, and I kind of went around. You can see a little bit of a ring around the shower as well. So I just made sure that I got everything covered and wiped in. Okay, so after you spray it down, you are supposed to let it sit for 30 minutes and then go back in, and all you're supposed to do is just rinse it, and it's supposed to come clean. But I'm very skeptical about that. So it's really dirty like you guys saw, and I'm thinking I'm gonna have to do some scrubbing, but if that helps, if that solution helps it, I will be amazed and very pleased, because that is a job to get that thing clean. So I'm actually going to go and make dinner, and then I'll come back in 30 minutes, and then we'll see exactly how this works. If it is a miracle or not, I'm here to let you know. I'm here to try it so you don't have to, but fingers crossed it works like it's supposed to. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes, and you'll have to excuse all of this madness back here because this bathroom is extremely tiny, but I've just got a cup, and I'm going to fill it with some hot water. And I know I'm gonna have to scrub this at least a little bit, but I'm gonna get some hot water and run it over the area that I put the mixture on, and then we will see if it does indeed clean it. So let's try.
Mixed emotions, the first step is always hard when you walk out of the doorway, but that's just the place to start. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance, not like anything we've done before. Yeah, now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away.
Okay, guys, I don't know if you can tell, but I barely was even like touching the sponge. I just had my hand on top of it and was just barely going over it. I cannot imagine if I actually put some like elbow grease into this and scrubbed. I am highly impressed. Like you can see, like it got the ring. I don't know. I don't know. Like this is, I'm extremely impressed. Like I'm at a loss for words. But also, I went ahead and sprayed this down and it was disgusting. So I'm going to scrub that and see, because I've seen a lot of people that did this and it came off like so extremely shiny. So we'll see that. And it looks very, very good. Like no effort at all. It's literally just, everything just comes off. And I'm barely even putting any pressure on this sponge. Okay, let me get some water and dump it on there and see what it looks like with all that stuff off. Okay, let's pour some water on it. Wow. Okay, I'm extremely impressed and I'm a believer. I mean, look. Hi, can you see me in there? I mean, look at that. That's insane. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just scrub this just like really quickly and see how good I can really get it to come clean. And I will show you what it looks like in just a second.
Time we let things go. Is this our destiny? Just like it was meant to be. Yeah. Come run away. Don't be afraid. We'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do. Let's break away. All colors will fade. Let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you.
All right, you guys, so I just lightly scrubbed that and then rinsed it off, and look how amazing this is. And this is like the original shower, so it's probably been in here for like 20 years. And look how good that is. Like, I'm extremely impressed. I can't get over it. But even, like I said, this looks amazing. This looks amazing. And what normally would take us like 30 minutes at least of non-stop scrubbing took me 2 minutes to spray it. I walked away for 30 minutes and I came back and that's what I got. Okay, guys, so normally I don't make just little videos like this about trying out this fad cleaner, but I'm really excited that I did. I hope you guys try this. If you do, let me know. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this before and if it worked for you, or if there was like a different ingredient list that you used. I think that the vinegar and the Dawn did perfectly. Like I said, you can get this stuff at the Dollar Tree, and I'm at a loss for words. I just don't know what to say. I'm so impressed at that. I don't know what to say, but I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you got some good information out of it. Like I said, if you try it, let me know. I'm really glad that you decided to watch this really quick video of mine. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, so that way you can come back and watch more fun videos like this. But I appreciate you coming by. I will see you next time. I love you and I appreciate you. Bye.
We're talking to each other. I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside.